Hello everyone, how to simplify this nice algebraic expression. So if we have 3 to the power of 12 minus 3 to the power of 11 minus 3 to the power of 10, and we will simplify this algebraic expression into the lowest form. But here you remember one thing is that calculator is not allowed in this problem. It means that we will do all of these multiplications or all of these calculations in our mind or in this paper. Okay, here the very first thing we are going to do is here first we need to focus in the exponents of these terms, and we have the exponent of this term is 12. We break this 12 as 10 plus 2 minus we break the exponent of this term is 10 plus 1 minus this is over 3 to the power of 10. So here further in the next step we need to apply here the nice exponent laws, and you know that if you have a to the power of m plus n equals to a to the power of m multiplied by a to the power of n. So according to this exponent law, here we break the exponents of these two terms and it will be written as 3 to the power of 10 multiplied by 3 square minus this is 3 to the power of 10 multiplied by 3 minus this is 3 to the power of 10. So now in the next step you see here each of these terms involve 3 to the power of 10, so that we will take common 3 to the power of 10 and we get the remaining values are here we get 3 square minus here we get 3 minus here we get 1 only, and here we need more simplifications and we have this is 3 to the power of 10 into this 3 square equals to 9 minus this minus 3 minus 1 equals to 4. So now in the next step we have 3 to the power of 10 into 9 minus 4 equals to 5. So again we focus on this 3 to the power of 10 and we write 3 to the power of 10 as 5 plus 5 and it is multiplied by again 5. And now here again we apply this nice exponent law. So according to this exponent law we break the exponents of these terms and it will be written as 3 to the power of 5 multiplied by 3 to the power of 5, and at the last we multiply it with 5. So here our next target is to find the value of 3 to the power of 5. So 3 to the power of 5 means that we will multiply 3 with 5 times in this way. Okay, so you see that 3 3s are 9 and 9 3s are 27, 27 3s are 81, and here we multiply 81 with this 3. So you see here we have 3 to the power of 10 equals to 3 1s are 3 and 3 8s are 24. It means that 3 to the power of 5 equals to 243. So we can replace this value here. So when you put these two values here, so this expression is implies that here you have 3 to the power of 5 becomes 243 multiplied by 243 multiplied by 5. So now in the next step we need to multiply 243 with 243 and resulting answer is multiplied by this 5. Okay, so here first we rewrite this expression as this is 243 into we write this 243 as 200 plus we write this 43 as 40 plus this 3, and here you have 5. So in the next step we first multiply 243 with each of these value and it will be written as 243 multiplied by 200 plus 243 multiplied by 40 plus 243 multiplied by 3, and at the last it will be multiplied by 5. Okay, so in the next step here we need to multiply 243 with this 200. So here we consider this is one digit number and this is three digit numbers. When you multiply this 0 with this number, you get 0. When you multiply this 0 with this number, you get 0. When we multiply this 2 with this number, you get here 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, and 2 2s are 4. Plus here we multiply this number with these numbers, so you see here 0 multiplied by this number equals to 0. And now we multiply 4 with this number, so we will obtain 4 3s are 12. We write 2 and carry 1. 4 4s are 16, 16 plus 1 is 17. We write 7 and carry 1. 4 2s are 8, 8 plus 1 is 9. Plus here we multiply 3 with this number, so you obtain 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12. We write 2 and carry 1. 3 2s are 6, 6 plus 1 is 7. And at the last we multiply it with 5. So in the next step we need to add these three values, and now again we add these three values into in a very smart way. So here I cannot do any calculation which you can learn in your primary classes. Here you see that I can just add all of these values directly. So first we add this 0 plus 0 becomes 0, and 0 plus 9 equals to 9. This 0 plus 2 is 2, 2 plus 2 is 4. This 6 plus 7 becomes 13, 13 plus 7 becomes 20. We write 0 and carry 2. So 8 plus 9 becomes 17, 17 plus 2 becomes here 19. We write 9 and carry 1. So this 4 plus 1 becomes here 5. So you get here 59,049, and at the end we multiply it with 5. So here now again we multiply 5 with this number directly, and you see here 5 9s are 45. We write 5 and carry 4. 5 4s are 20, 20 plus 4 becomes 24. We write 4 and carry 2. 5 zeros are 0, 0 plus 2 is 2. 5 9s are 45. We write 5 and carry 4. And you see here 5 5s are 25. 25 plus 4 equals to 29. So you get 295245. So finally we have the final simplified form of 3 to the power of 12 minus 3 to the power of 11 minus 3 to the power of 10 is equals to 2952 and 45. So this is our final simplified form of the given question. This is the final answer, and thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.